Hey folks, it's Farmer Marshall. I'm a lot like you. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. The weeds have been trying to take over my garden since day one. The bugs, the vine squash borer, has decimated my squash, my cucumbers, my zucchini. You almost want to give up. But even though it's July, there's stuff you can put in the garden today. So let me show you some of the stuff that I've planted that I'm about to put in the garden. Now my tomatoes have seen better days. So I have several plants that are pretty much done. I'm going to take all the rest of the fruit off of these, dig them up. These were determinate tomatoes. So they give you a flush of fruit and then they're done. Unlike my determinate tomatoes, they're going to keep producing and growing taller and taller. This is my trellis here with tomatoes growing up. It's about almost 6 feet tall and they're going to keep growing up. But I'm greedy. I want more tomatoes. But I can put in some determinate tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes. I can put those in and get a crop, a harvest before the season is over. And if you don't want cherry tomatoes like these, 65 days to maturity, maybe some like these, 57 days to maturity. You got time, folks. No need to give up. And like I said, the vine squash borer has decimated my cucumbers and squash and stuff. These can be ready in 56 days. I would probably put them in a little container first before I put them in the ground. But by the time I get them in the ground, the vine squash borer will be finished, laying its eggs. They are destroying my plants. And since they got to my squash, you know they got to my cucumbers. 70 days. I have time. So do you. My most prolific cucumber have been on pickling cucumbers this year. 60 days. Funny thing is, most of the ones in my garden were volunteer plant. So I don't really care. Some other plants that I'm about to put in the ground this weekend, candy roaster squash. These things get huge. They may not get full size, but I have enough time to get a harvest of these. Something else is going into the ground. In my garden are eggplants. If I can deal with the heat, they're going to have to deal with it too. Now I know this is my typical list. I didn't really prepare fully for it, but I figured if I'm out here suffering in the heat, you probably are too. So I want to give you some encouragement. I know your garden might look like crap right now. Mine does, but I'm working on it. But I also know that if it's looking bad, if you're getting discouraged by bugs or the heat or the 30 days and 30 nights of rain we've been having down where I am, you might feel like giving up. Don't give up. Find that plant that you can plant. And before my phone overheats, because it's hot too, I'm just going to say, let's get out there and get a little dirty. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.